You are in a dimly lit room, laptop screen glowing, or in other words, a crime scene where productivity was last seen alive, and sitting right in the middle, me, you, us, some zombie-looking creature staring at the phone like it holds the answers to life itself. Texting, sending memes, finding another Tinder partner while knowing damn well they'll destroy you again and break your heart. Finding yet another TikTok girl to emotionally wreck you like she's collecting infinity stones. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Don't even try to look around like I can't see you. Sitting there, phone balanced on your forehead like you're receiving divine knowledge. One hand gripping an energy drink like it's the only thing keeping your heart beating. The other locked in an infinite loop of scroll, sigh, repeat. Just ask yourself, how many more days are you going to live like this? Let me help you out. If you're lazy, just see how you can change yourself within 6 months. No, I'm not going to hit you with that cliche advice. If you want to be perfect, you have to put in 10,000 hours. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. Nah, screw that. Let's talk real life. Damn, I should really get my life together. And then you immediately do nothing about it. Relatable. And before you even try that classic excuse, I'll start tomorrow. Oh, really? My guy, that's the biggest scam you've ever pulled on yourself. And trust me, you've fallen for some dumb scams before. Yeah. I know about the time you clicked on free iPhone giveaway. You should be ashamed. But let me show you your actual talent. You know how fast you process memes? Seriously. Someone drops a high IQ 500 level meme in the group chat and you, my dude, crack that code in 4 seconds flat. Einstein took years to figure out relativity, but you just decoded a meme in record time. Do you even realize how powerful your brain is? No, I'm not about to compare you to some dude studying at Yale, Harvard, or Stanford. Those guys are out here solving quantum physics. You just understood a Rick and Morty meme in 4.5 seconds. And you know what? No one will tell you, but I will tell you. I'm proud of you. You're a genius, just in the wrong field. Now here's the thing. Before you produce something, you have to consume it first. That's how the game works. You got to study the market before you enter it. But you? Oh, you're consuming a little too much, buddy. Scrolling TikTok for hours, binging YouTube, inhaling Instagram reels like it's oxygen. You've done your market research 10 times over. So why the hell are you still just consuming? You already know what works. So why the hell aren't you creating it? Why are you sitting on a gold mine of wasted potential when you could be flipping this into content, putting your own twist on it, and actually making money? You've watched thousands of videos. By now, you subconsciously know what's going to work. So why aren't you posting? Maybe you've got ideas. Maybe you even wrote some down. But here's the brutal truth. Ideas are worthless. Execution is everything. Mark Zuckerberg said that. Yeah, I know. He looks like an AI experiment gone wrong, but the guy knows what he's talking about. Look, I know you're sitting there thinking, making money online, that's not for me, but question yourself. Did you even try? No, you didn't. Or, yeah, maybe you did, but for how long? 1 day? 2 days? 3 days? A month? My guy, big stacks of money don't show up after a trial run. You're out here trying to make money with no college degree, which, honestly, respect, but that means you gotta go harder. So stop doubting yourself and start putting in the real work. Look, I'm not just talking about making money online. It could be anything. Following your passion, chasing what truly excites you. Maybe it's acting, music, painting, or something completely different. Whatever it is, you know deep down what you want. But here's the problem. You keep waiting until things get worse before you take action. Why? Why not start before you hit rock bottom? You always say one day, but why can't today be that day? You're going to start eventually, so start now. So what's stopping you? You already know what works. You already understand what's trending. You already spend hours in the trenches of social media. So for the love of whatever motivation you've got left, stop letting another TikTok girl break your heart and start breaking the algorithm instead. Let me show you exactly what you're doing. I walk to the fridge, open it, stare at absolutely nothing, close it, then immediately open it again, because obviously food respawns like a video game, right? Spoiler alert, it doesn't. This is my life now. Not hungry, just bored. And that, my friends, is the first sign that you're trapped in the do-nothing loop of doom. Wake up. Scroll. Eat. Scroll. Think about changing your life for 0.5 seconds. Scroll again. Sleep. Repeat. Congratulations, you're officially playing Life the Procrastination Edition, where the only thing you're leveling up is screen time. Picture this. You actually start today. Just imagine it. Future you, a whole different person. He drinks water like an adult, doesn't flinch when his bank app sends a notification, and casually books flights like it's a normal Tuesday. He buys whatever he wants without breaking into a cold sweat. And best of all, he hands a fat stack of cash to his family, smirking like, "Told you I'd make it." Meanwhile, present you is still standing in front of the fridge at 2 a.m., hoping food magically respawns. Spoiler, it doesn't. Now let's break this down. What is 6 months? Step 1, just start. Pick anything. Don't overthink it. Just start. Want to get fit? Do 1 push-up. Just 1. Tomorrow, do 2. Want to learn a skill? Watch a 5-minute tutorial. No need to binge a whole course you'll never finish. Want to make money? Stop wasting it. Yeah, I'm looking at you, the one with 17 fancy water bottles but still drinking soda. Here's the brutal truth. If you don't start today, you'll be in the exact same place 6 months from now. Or worse, some TikTok kid will figure it out before you do. Step 2, make it stupidly easy. You ever see people go from 0 to extreme overnight? Like some dude who suddenly decides to run 10 miles after never running before? Yeah, don't be that guy. Start small. Want to write a book? Write 1 sentence. Want to be a singer? Learn how to control your voice. Want to meditate? Sit still for 5 seconds. Want to stop scrolling? Put your phone in another room and see how long you last. Now here's the secret. Small efforts add up. Let's say you want to make millions. You don't start by making $1 million overnight. That's a scam. And if you believe that, you probably still think a prince from Nigeria is emailing you for help. No. You start with $1. Day 1, make $1. Day 2, make $2. Day 3, make $3. Keep increasing your limit day by day. Where do you think you'll be in 6 months? Think about it. 1 drop of water can't make an ocean, but drop by drop, that's how oceans are made. You've got to admit it to yourself, you're lazy. That's fine. But if you actually want to grow, if you want to escape this matrix, just start. 1 step, 1 action. That's all it takes. 6 months from now, do you want to thank yourself? Or do you want to be stuck in the same place, still opening your fridge at 2 a.m., praying for a miracle? Your choice. Start today. Future you is waiting.